Let's give her a round of applause.
Good morning to our principal, teachers, parents, and fellow students. I just want to take this moment to remind you that you should be proud of yourself regardless of how small or big your wins is. First, I want to tell you how proud I am of you. Malayo pa pero malayo na are the words I always hear around me. We may not notice or recognize how far we became today, but we can't deny how much we've grown throughout the years. People may have been looking down on us, you, or putting aside the wins you had achieved. But as far as I remember, they wouldn't be the one who will tell you how successful or far you've come. Be proud, chin up, show them how proud you are for achieving your goals step by step. You don't have to rush things, the goals, the dreams, and even the life they wanted you to have. You're the only person who can tell yourself if you should be taking another step or rest for a while. We are the one who will control our lives, our decisions, and things we'll achieve. For all that, congratulations whether with honor or not, I am so proud of you. What matters most is that you gave your best and finished strong. I know what you're going through isn't easy, but you still manage it. With honors or not, your effort, growth, and dedication are worth celebrating. Always remember, success isn't just about medals or awards. It's about your hard work and heart. Keep shining. You did amazing. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashley Jaila de la Cruz, for your truly inspiring message. Now we proceed to the highlight of our program, the awarding